Hello, you're welcome. In this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how I was able to get this particular $89. And if you know that $299 is not actually small for you, then I'll be explaining everything you need to know in this particular video. I've done this particular video in the previous time using my trust wallet, and as you can see now, is on this particular token called CTC Plus. As you can see here, I'm now having 100 CTC Plus token, which amounts to this 289 token. And let's come down to the home page here. You could see that the CTC Plus himself is around, the price currently is around 2.29. And if I come to this particular space, come down to this particular place, cause airdrop, you see, this particular airdrop is ending in the next 10 days now. And you can see I have 100 CTC Plus. Then it is then we'll be able to tap on this particular claim section. And I know directly from this particular app, because if you check on this particular swaps section here, you'll be able to swap between your CTC Plus to USDT. So anytime we claim this particular token and we are being given our token, which is the CTC Plus token, and we're able to swap, I'll be doing another video. So the other video that I'm doing is because of one of my community member, which says he's having his own PNB on Bitget wallet exchange that he doesn't understand how he's about to go about it. So because of that, I'll be doing this one using my Bitget wallet. Yes, not Bitget exchange now, but the Bitget wallet, and I'll be doing everything. So let's go to my Bitget wallet right now. What I say, that particular airdrop, you can actually perform it with any of your Web3 wallets. Call it the Bitget wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask, any of it, you can actually use it. So what you have to do, the first one is that don't forget, it is not a financial advisor, so you do your due diligence and do whatever you need with this particular information. Remember that it's going to cost you a little amount of BNB for your verifying your KYC, which is very small, not even up to $1. And currently now, as you can see now, I'm only having 0.18 worth of BNB, which I'll be using for this particular airdrop. So what you have to do is that you come to this particular place called Discovered. You tap on Discover. So the link that I'll be dropping in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video, you actually use it. I have it here already, so you tap on it. After you tap on it, then you allow it to load. Let's allow it to load. So if you are using Bitget, you just have to sit down and watch it very well so that we not do any mistakes. So the first thing you need to do is you have to connect your wallet, just the way we did on my trust wallet. So you tap on this particular one now. You see now that we are having trust wallet. You can do it on pocket token. It will go and on MetaMask. So this is not any of these you tap on. This is what you tap on now, which is other Web3 wallet. So you tap on this one that say connect wallet, then we allow it to connect with our wallet. You can see say it's loading, let it load. So immediately you can see now that it is connect wallet. Let me come on select wallet, so it will bring the wallet to connect. You can see now. So what we'll do in this particular place is select this one that says connect wallet. It's connecting. Let's wait for the wallet to get connected. You could see now that our wallet now is now connected. So the next one that we'll tap on this particular KYC section here. Let's tap on KYC section. Let it allow it to load. You could see then we'll tap on verify. It's loading. Just the same thing the way we did it on Trust Wallet. You see, it will tell us to confirm the transaction. Then we'll tap on confirm. So here you can read everything, the transaction fees of the BNB. Then we'll tap on connect. Yes, let it load. You see, the transaction, it actually cost me $0.12 dollars. You see, it says thank you. So let me come back now. Let me come back to home. Then let me come to this particular section called airdrop. You can see now that I've gotten 100 CTC tokens. So let me come to my wallet here now. So I'm positioned also on this particular wallet now. You can see now that now I've been given $289, which worth 289. As you can see here now, this is my token. So please remember to like, share, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I upload any other new video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp community, the link will be available in the description and also in the comment of this particular video to join. Thank you and bye bye for now.